This works for everyone around the world, and it's one of the easiest ways to make money online since there's no selling, no affiliate marketing, no social media followers needed, and no previous experience required. You just need to copy and paste some text, and if you stay until the end of this video, you will be able to make a lot more money because I will be showing you 3 additional websites from which you can get paid, where we teach you to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, so let's begin right here. So I could show you how you can use Google in order to get paid again and again. So all of this will quite literally require less than 30 minutes. In case PayPal is not available in your country or you don't want to use PayPal, then I will show you how you can select other payment options as well. So if you don't want to get through PayPal, you can select different payment options like a bank transfer, Payoneer, and etc. Anyways, let's begin with step number 1. Come over to google.com. Step number 2, you want to search for Google News. Once you search for Google News, I want you to open on the first official website, news.google.com. This is a place where you can find the latest news and the latest articles on all the topics around the world. So it's like a newspaper, so you can find everything on here. News about politics, about business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, history, and whatever you can think of, you can find it on this website. Now, how will this make you money? How will you get your free PayPal money? Well, stay tuned and you will see exactly how this works. So here on the left-hand side, you have all the categories. You have news about the world. This is about what's happening in the world right now. You have your own local news, which is something that we will not focus on. You simply want to focus only on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and mostly health. You can see, for example, if I select the health category, that's going to give me all of the latest news and all the latest articles related to health. So let's scroll and let's find something interesting on here. So I'm interested in this article, which was uploaded just recently. And it's a really good article that a lot of people would click on. So what you need to do is open up one article. Don't worry, you will not have to write articles, and don't worry, you will not have to sell anything. This has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or whatsoever. All you really need to do is open up that article and you just want to start copying text from that particular article. For example, I will copy this right here and I will proceed to step number 3 and proceed to the third website that we will be using, which is spinbot.com. Here, you will need to paste that article which you found on Google News. Spinbot will rewrite that article for you so you can have that entire article in your own words, which means that way it becomes completely unique. You will be using those articles on 3 more additional websites which I'm going to share with you. Those websites will pay you for those articles. Some of them are literally going to pay you $1 per word. As you can see, those articles have sometimes thousands of words and you can just do the math. Anyways, once you found the article, just paste that text in this box right here, then scroll a little bit down, then click I am not a robot, and you will just need to click go. Now that's going to rewrite the entire article for you. As you can see, the context is pretty much the same, but it's using different words. It is using synonyms and it's rewriting it in your own words. So you can copy that unique and rewritten article and you can use the next 3 websites to get paid for those articles. The first website that we will be using is eatingwell.com. So on eatingwell.com, you can submit your own articles. You can write articles for this website and get paid for doing that. Now, instead of you doing all the hard work of writing those articles for days, you can simply use Google News and Spinbot to create unique and high quality articles, and they will pay you up to $1 per word. So this is the first website, and I have 2 more for you. So just on this website, you can get paid up to $1 per word, which means if you get an article with 1,000 words, that can be $1,000 just for that article. And it only took you less than 30 minutes copy pasting. Now, how do you actually submit your articles so you can get paid? Here on this page, you will just need to scroll a little bit down below until you can find this section where you can find their contact information. So you can just copy their email address, go to your email, and just email them with a subject line telling submission or article submission or something along those lines, and just attach the file with your own article which you created. Once you send out that email, they will review it, and if they like it, they will ask you for your payment details. You will tell them if you want to get paid through PayPal. You will tell them my PayPal and my email address is, then leave your PayPal and your email address. If you want to get paid through bank transfer, just leave your bank details. Same goes to the other payment methods. Your options are endless because there are new articles in Google News that are coming in every couple of hours. So you can use those articles, rewrite them with Spinbot, paste them in a Word document, or save it in your computer and submit it to these websites. So the first one where you can submit your articles is again eatingwell.com. You can also submit articles on sierraclub.org. This is over at their website. In order to submit your articles on this website, you just have to follow these instructions over here. You simply need to email them at this email address right here. So you can copy this and go over to your email, place the contact details and the subject line. Just type in a submission and just submit your article. Now with sierraclub.org, you will not only be able to submit health and fitness articles like you did with Eating Well, but you will need to find something related to technology or science. So open up an article from the category of science, then copy its text and paste it to Spinbot. Let them rewrite for you and submit it over to sierraclub.org's email address. The third and the last website where you can submit your articles is over at daily.jstor.org. You can go over to their submission guidelines and you can read more about how it works. This website will pay you a little bit less money, but it's still a good one to use because you can earn some additional income and maximize your results with this strategy. The great thing about this website is that they will ask you only for up to 2,000 words and they will pay you around 31 cents per word. So again, it's not as high as the previous two websites, but it's still decent at 31 cents. On average, 31 cents per word is not bad at all because it will quickly add up. The more articles you submit on these websites, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, not every single article will get accepted, but even if you get one article per day, that's still hundreds, if not up to $1,000 a day just by copy and pasting. It was all absolutely free and you don't have to wait around. You can immediately get started with this strategy. Once again, let's summarize this. You need to go over to Google, go to Google News, select a category from the left-hand side, select the article that you like, open an article, copy its text, use Spinbot to make it unique, and submit it. You can do this again and again for an unlimited time and collect some decent amount of money. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, smash the like button, and I will see you on the next video.